NaxToPy, the object-oriented Python library for advanced automation. NaxToPy is the object-oriented module for Python within the NaxTo suite. It is multi-solver and provides an agile and efficient environment for managing large volumes of data in structural analysis. With NaxToPy, you can write scripts to automate complex tasks such as data extraction, manipulation, and analysis, using predefined functions that simplify the workflow, such as elements, adjacent, attached, by face connected to node, and elements with free edges. Nodes, node connectivity, materials and properties, NASTran and OptDestruct card information, load cases, and increments, results, components and sections, parallelization of results extraction, envelopes and derived load cases, free body, forces and moments, executable version of NaxToPy scripts, and much more. Additionally, it is fully compatible with popular tools like Jupyter Notebooks, allowing you to leverage its power and flexibility within your own work environment. This minimizes human errors and drastically reduces processing times. What used to take days or even weeks can now be completed in hours. By automating workflows and reducing the reliance on additional licenses, NaxToPy also helps lower operational costs. If you're looking to optimize your post-processing and take a leap in structural analysis automation, NaxToPy is the ideal solution. Discover more about NaxToPy and how it can transform your way of working.